Welcome to this video on Google Flow, an overview of Google's dynamic AI workflow system. This overview covers what Google Flow is, its core technologies, key features, how it streamlines the workflow. The core technologies include VO for dynamic and realistic video generation with motion and lip syncing. Imagen supports detailed image rendering and maintains visual continuity. Finally, Gemini interprets user prompts and enables scene-specific instructions. Key features include a powerful text-to-video generator and precise camera control tools. The Scene Builder allows for shot extension and modification, while Asset Management organizes props and characters. It also offers native audio integration and a showcase called Flow TV for Learning. Google Flow streamlines the workflow by integrating all production stages into one AI-powered platform. Tools like the Scene Builder, Asset Manager, and AI-generated audio reduce external dependencies, leading to faster iterations and increased accessibility for creators. Flow has broad applications, including filmmaking and prototyping, content creation, and marketing. Educators use it for engaging visual content, and designers utilize it for visualizing spaces and detailed storyboarding. First, start a new project by generating or importing an asset, since Flow allows you to bring your own visuals or create them inside the tool. Next, open Scene Builder to begin editing or extending your shot. This feature is designed specifically for expanding scenes and maintaining visual continuity. To continue your scene, use the Extend option and describe what should happen next. Flow keeps camera motion and style consistent thanks to its advanced video model capabilities. You can also control the camera by prompting for movements such as pans, tilts, or different angles, since Flow supports full cinematic camera control. Add or remove objects, adjust the environment, or outpaint to expand the frame. Flow's intelligent editing tools make these modifications smooth and natural. Then, build your full sequence by adding clips to the timeline, arranging them, and creating seamless transitions between scenes. Use the Asset Manager to keep everything organized for easy reuse throughout your project. Finally, preview your finished scene and export it in high quality, including 1080p or even 4K depending on your plan. Here is the video I created.
Hey world, it's me, your friendly neighborhood cosmic disaster. Good news, I'm here to save the day. Bad news, I may have accidentally pressed a button labeled "Do Not Press." Probably. If anything starts glowing, run. Now snacks first, heroics second.
Can you believe the video was generated in 5 minutes? Cool, right? In conclusion, Google Flow combines generative AI with natural language interaction, streamlining the production workflow and democratizing storytelling. Its broad applicability across various domains transforms visual narrative creation. That's your quick tour of Google Flow Scene Builder, a powerful tool for crafting smooth, cinematic AI-generated videos. Have fun exploring, and stay tuned for our next video to learn more about other AI tools.